Same feelings happened again the second time around. Do you remember when we were in the car of GP? We were actually heading to Tagaytay with Zelda, with Rochi and Sheila. Remember? I know I told you this once, and while I'm in the car, I paused for a second and imagining the future that you're like walking in that aisle, wearing that white dress, Song of Priyan Constantine yung ikaw. Pwede ko siyang kantahin kasi gusto mong kantahan kita. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso na nalumbay ng kahit agad. Ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin na may kapal. Biyaya ko sa buhay. Buhay ko'y pag-ibig. Bigay pag-ibig ko ikaw. Mali na yung lyrics. Sorry. And now it's finally happening, our wedding day.
Would you stay the night so I can hear your voice again? Give me a memory to hold on to now and then. Would you stay a little more, the morning seeping in? The night I missed your touch, drawing circles on my skin. I looked up to
Salamat sa unconditional love. Salamat sa pag-intindi sa akin. Kapag nai-stress ako sa work, salamat sa patience. Sobrang pinagtsatsagaan mo ugali ko. Pero lahat lang yun, na-improve ko. Naging better person ako. I love you so much. Bakit naiiyak ako?
Here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday. And no matter what
Nagpapasalamat ako kay nanay and kay Papa Washing. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi kita makikilala. Noon, umiiyak pa ako na pinagdadasal ko kay Lord bago matulog, sinasabi ko lang sa kanya kung gaano ako kasaya. Tapos naalala ko yung sinasabi ng mga nakakatanda noon na mahalin mo yung lalaking mapagmahal sa magulang kasi kung paano siya sa magulang, ganun rin yung respeto at pagmamahal na ibibigay niya sa
and although we might will trip and fall time after
I hope na mas marami pa tayong adventures na unlock together as we move on the next chapter of our lives. I love you always, love your ex-girlfriend and soon-to-be wife.
or whatever comes tomorrow, I will always keep you.
Sabi nga, what is matrimony? Matrimony is a permanent covenant of love between qualified men and women intended for the common good and education of children. This natural covenant has been raised by Christ between baptized person to the dignity of sacrament. At sa Tagalog, ang kasal daw ay pagtitipan ng babae at lalaki.
Dancing with you until the end. Doesn't matter if the world falls apart or whatever comes tomorrow, I will always keep you in my heart. 'Cause I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday. And no matter what, I'll be your shelter when the sky is falling, the flame to light your darkest moments. No matter the distance, I'll be I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time, I will always love you more than yesterday. And no matter